Alright, we are in one clear choice. This is a different location, right? So we have a Chamberlain D2 101 from Lowe's. And let me show you how it works. Hold on. Watch. Let's go to the next one. Open again. So this is the motor. This is a Chamberlain chain drive. You see. This is a insulated clove. This is the door arm. This is the release rope. I'm gonna show you running it around. So I'll show you how it works. Pull that down. So we pull that down. Also, if we let's say if the power's out, right? And we say we can't get out the garage and we can lift this up manually. And I'll show you how it runs without the door. So watch the. So to engage it, you have to pull this up, and when it pulls up, this will happen. Watch. Oh yeah, sorry about that. That's just like the force. If you hear it beat like that, that's the force. Excessive closing. Try this again. See if it works. Right. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Let me just do that first. Okay. Just need to close down a little more. Pull that up. And let's try it now. Actually, we're going to skip on that one. So let's go to this one. You hit the. Really? Alright. Next, we have LiftMaster. I'll tell you the model number. And you see, this is what it came with: a security camera, LED light bulbs, so you don't have to change out every day. And I'll tell you the model. It's an 84505R, and show you how it demonstrates. Come to the wall button. So this is the wall button. We have learn and lock. So the lock feature, that will be able to not run the door with the remote's keypad or the keypad. And this is the learn button where you don't have to climb up to the motor and press the learn button. So all you have to do is just hit this one button once and twice, and then program mode's been enabled. So plus this is the light button that runs it. So here it goes. Close down. Also, watch this. I'm gonna show you the sensors, how it works. And it goes back up, and on these ones they don't flash on the newer ones, so just run right down. And watch the. And you see the difference? That one is the AC chain drive, and this one is a DC belt drive. Okay, next one. This is kind of LiftMaster 87504. This is different. Same thing. This one has a camera, those light bulbs, and this is the wall button. This is the model 880LM. And yes, this hooked up to another, I believe, Clopay insulated. So I'll do a run of this. Oh, here we go. And back down. Also, you can connect MyQ for this, where you don't have to close the garage door and then said, did I close the garage, and you can do it with the app. Just easy. All right. Next. Okay. So we don't have a motor right here, right? This is like the overhead space, right? Like the other three. But this one is actually a assignment. So this is a Lilith Master, battery backup with MyQ. This is a model 8500. Comes with has a 893 max, 880, where it says close from anywhere. So I'll do it by remote first. Alright. So let's say you moved into a new house, right? And this hat came with it. So we pull this up, right? And if you see this yellow button, this is the learn button, actually. So we press that once, then we press our remote, then this is what happens. So when you hear that beat, that's programming mode. It's programmed to the remote, then hit again, watch. And yes, you want to know how to open it, how did it open by itself? Let me just... So this is a deadbolt that locks it, where nobody can break in the garage. I'll close this by the travel limits again. Sorry if you hear the creaking, it sounds like a pan door. Now, alright, next. And that's how it locks it in.